CFA Level 1 February 2025 candidates, with just about a day left for your results, this video is very special and very important for you. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanushka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is especially for a very important batch to me, that is the CFA Level 1 February 2025 candidates. This is a before your result, during your result, after your result kind of a quick, important, special video. So let's get to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. So first of all, like I said in the introduction, this batch is extremely special to me. This is the first batch wherein I started my CFA exam customized study plans. Before that, we only used to have the career consultations, which was just like a one session kind of a thing, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. But this was very special because I actually connected with you guys on a one-to-one level. So I had the 8-week plan and the 16-week plan when I started with you guys. Wherein I met you, week on week, day on day. So I actually knew, your struggles, your personal stories, how were you managing CFA in your life. There were people who, came to me in December and they had barely done, I think, a subject or two, and how they pulled through, the resilience. There were people who were a part of the plan and they didn't give the exam because, they felt sick. There were people who got scared. There were people who gave the exam against all odds. In fact, people who I thought would not give the exam gave the exam. It was such, I cannot tell you, like it was amazing to see the kind of personalities you guys brought in. And like I said, it's truly a very special batch to me. Obviously, even in terms of content, you guys to are always like मेरे दिल के टुकड़े हो आप सब. And I know now the result is a day, I think when you see this video, a day away. There's a lot of butterflies, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of nervousness. थोड़ी excitement भी हो रही है जिन के papers अच्छे गए थे. There are people who think about so many things, at this point of time. The sacrifices you've made, the financial condition you possibly have come from, the effort your parents might have put in to put that money, or the effort that you put to put that money for the exam. Again, leaving social gatherings, not going out on that friends trips. There's so much that you put on stake for this. Maybe some people left a job, I even know that. Some people managed it with a job. Some people couldn't enjoy the holiday season with their parents because the stress was exam. So there was so much at stake, I know. And I know कि इस टाइम पे दिमाग में ये सब कुछ घूम रहा है. God, मुझे बोलते बोलते कुछ हो रहा है. But I would just say, घूमने दो. Let these thoughts come, because that's what makes this exam so special. अगर ये सारी thoughts, ये सारी feelings आज feel नहीं होंगी तो मतलब इतना special नहीं था, right? ये feel हो रहा है क्योंकि इतना कुछ दाव पे लगा है. जितना बड़ा, the point is, the मकसद जितना बड़ा होता है उतना ज़्यादा feelings होती हैं. Having said that, I really want to remind you and take this moment to, I hope, enforce it आपके दिमाग में. शायद that small needed thought डालूँ that this one passing or success, as I call it, is not gonna be the making point of your life. It's not gonna be that just because I passed, now my life is settled, अब life में सब कुछ sort है. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. Just one CFA level 1 success is not gonna do that for you. At the same time, God forbid you fail, that one failure is not gonna be the end of your life, right? Life will give you different chapters, will give you different chances, will give you different paths. You don't know. Just keep this thought in mind that this exam is very special. The result is very special, but it is not a make or break point in your life. It is a part of your life. It is not your life. That is the motto we even keep doing our study plans, and I hope that you also can be, reminded of it, because it is so important. Sometimes we just think कि ये पूरी exam ही हमारी life है, and I know because कभी-कभी मैं भी करती हूँ, but नहीं है, ये सच नहीं है, and it's sometimes important that we keep this in mind. A few quick things, I tell it to everybody, so I'll tell it to you guys as well. Whenever you get your result, first of all, please take time to absorb it. Good, bad, ugly, whatever it is, absorb it, feel it. For the people who unfortunately failed, it might be your first failure, it might be your second or third failure. I'm so sorry that this happened to you. But just let yourself feel it. Don't try to run away from the pain. Don't try to act, oh, I'm so strong and all. Even if you are, it's very good, but accept the failure, absorb the failure. Sometimes that's important. For the people who pass, again, absorb that joy. Take that minute, take a day, take 2 days. Yeah, बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. Take this moment to really, feel that joy. Not everybody gets to live what you're living. This might be your first attempt in which you cleared it brilliant. It might be a second or third attempt in which you cleared it again brilliant. Remember, you're all equal once you pass. So yeah, please absorb. And number 2, don't take any irrational decision. Don't take any rash decision, right? Please think over it. Even if you passed, even if you fail, it shouldn't be like, चलो अब मैं लेवल 2 अभी दूंगा या मैं अब लेवल 1 वापस दूंगी ही नहीं. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. प्लीज थिंक ओवर why, what happened. If you passed, what were the good points, what were the weaknesses. If you failed, again, what happened, what went wrong. Analyze and then take a very rational, practical decision. This time you guys are equipped. You have a new result system. I've made a detailed video on how to read that. I'm going to add the link in the description box, so you can check that out. Basically, you'll get a better idea of where you're standing, because now they'll tell you what the minimum passing score for this particular attempt was. They'll scale score range it. Basically, they'll put a standardized form of it, but based on that, they will also tell you where you stood, so you know exactly how far away you were, subject wise and overall. So it's actually a better system in which you can analyze better and decide better. But yeah, no irrational decision, guys. No rash, harsh decisions. Please keep that in mind. And yeah, I just wanted to wish all of you all the luck, all the success, and just a reminder, like I always tell you, that it takes courage to do what you're doing. You're already ahead of so many other people who didn't have the guts. I would literally use the word, who didn't have the guts to do what you're doing, to put in the sacrifices, be it financial, be it personal, be it social, to handle the pressure, to handle this kind of an anxiety and be where you are and do what you're doing. So always remember that you are already 10 steps ahead of the crowd, and this one personality trait of yours is always gonna keep you ahead of the crowd. So just always remember, you are doing amazing. And in case anybody tells you ek exam hi to, tell them to shut up. Show them this video and tell them to shut up, because special exam hai, बहुत मेहनत की है. You deserve to take this day feeling nervous, feeling anxious, anything. It's your mind, it's your efforts, it's your emotions. Feel it all. तो जिसने भी बोला ये वीडियो दिखा दो, मेरे भी व्यूज बढ़ जाएंगे. Anyways, all the best once again. Wishing each and every one of you the best of the best result. I hope whatever happens, good, bad, ugly, happens for the best for you. Like कभी कभी कहते हैं ना, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So I really really hope कि जो भी हो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो. Maybe instantly, maybe in the future, but it should just be something that eventually will shape your life the best, because sometimes you don't know, but the universe knows. So let's trust the universe, let's trust भगवान जी, and छोड़ देते हैं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Looking forward to know your results, but more than that, your feelings, your emotions. I honestly, those things stand out for me. So yeah, all the best once again. I'll see you guys once again, maybe to give a next steps of what to do now, or I'll see you in your next attempt, be it level 1 or level 2, whatever it is. I am always gonna be there with you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys very very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.